Hello, an exciting announcement from me. I am going to be having my first ever YouTube premiere. It's going to be going live on the channel on Monday the 29th of August at 9 PM UK time, and I'm going to be looking at the golden BBC Micro in the Science Museum in London. This is the first ever YouTube premiere I've done, so I'm not entirely sure how it's going to work out. But basically, if you join the premiere at 9 PM on Monday the 29th of August, you'll be able to watch the video as it goes live. You should be able to chat with me in the live chat, along with anybody else who is watching the video at the time. And it should be an exciting experience. Don't worry too much if you can't make the premiere. You can always watch the video as soon as the premiere has gone live at any time. You just won't be able to participate in the live chat, but you can still leave me a comment underneath the video as usual. If you want to access the premiere, there's a link underneath this video, and if you're a subscriber, you should have already had a notification about it. And if you just go to my channel page as well, youtube.com/ColinHode, you'll be able to see a link to the premiere there as well. So I really hope that as many of you as can will be able to join me there. And as I say, if you can't, I hope that you'll still enjoy the video after it's gone live on the channel as usual. Looking forward to Monday the 29th of August at 9 PM. Hope to see you there. And until then, goodbye.